Protecting innovation, the role of ISF in safeguarding intellectual property rights. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing the crucial role of importer security filing, ISF, in safeguarding intellectual property rights, IPR. ISF plays a significant role in protecting the rights of businesses and creators by preventing the entry of counterfeit and infringing goods into the market. Let's explore how ISF helps in the protection of intellectual property rights. ISF requires importers to provide detailed information about their cargo, including the description, quantity, and value of the goods. This information is vital for customs authorities to identify shipments that may potentially contain counterfeit or infringing goods. By evaluating the information provided in the ISF, customs authorities can identify high-risk shipments that may warrant closer scrutiny. This enables them to focus their efforts on potential intellectual property rights infringements and take appropriate actions to prevent the entry of counterfeit goods. Customs authorities collaborate closely with intellectual property rights holders to identify trademarks, copyrights, or patents that are at risk of infringement. By sharing relevant information, customs authorities can match this data with the information provided in the ISF and target potential infringing shipments. Importers may be required to provide licensing information in the ISF for certain regulated or copyrighted goods. This helps customs authorities identify legitimate goods and differentiate them from counterfeit or unauthorized copies. Based on the information gathered through ISF, customs authorities can subject suspect shipments to increased scrutiny. This may include physical inspections, documentation reviews, or further examination to identify and seize counterfeit or infringing goods. Customs authorities often refer to intellectual property rights databases, such as the World Intellectual Property Organization's WIPO Global Brand Database or the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office's Trademark Electronic Search System, TESS, to verify intellectual property rights information provided in the ISF. ISF facilitates effective communication and information sharing between customs authorities and intellectual property rights holders. By providing detailed cargo information, importers assist customs authorities in identifying potential infringements, enabling them to take appropriate actions to protect intellectual property rights. ISF enables customs authorities to proactively intercept counterfeit goods by detecting them at the border before they enter the market. This interception helps prevent the sale of counterfeit products, safeguarding the rights of intellectual property holders and protecting consumers from substandard or harmful goods. ISF ensures that importers comply with intellectual property rights regulations and legislation. By providing accurate and complete information about their cargo, importers demonstrate a commitment to respecting and upholding intellectual property rights. The availability of an effective ISF process helps prevent revenue loss for intellectual property rights holders. By deterring the importation of counterfeit goods, ISF assists rights holders in protecting their market share, brand identity, and overall profitability. The information submitted through ISF can support legal proceedings initiated by intellectual property rights holders. The accurate and detailed cargo information provided in the ISF serves as evidence of potential infringements and can be used in legal proceedings against counterfeiters. The existence of ISF requirements acts as a deterrent to potential infringers and counterfeiters. The knowledge that customs authorities are actively monitoring imports and have access to detailed cargo information discourages unauthorized copying and the distribution of counterfeit goods. ISF promotes fair competition by preventing the entry of counterfeit or infringing goods that can undercut legitimate businesses. By safeguarding intellectual property rights, ISF helps maintain a level playing field for businesses and encourages innovation and creativity. Counterfeit goods often do not meet the same safety standards as genuine products, posing risks to consumers. ISF plays a role in protecting consumer safety by preventing the importation of potentially dangerous or substandard counterfeit goods. ISF fosters collaborative enforcement efforts between customs authorities, intellectual property rights holders, and other relevant stakeholders. By working together, these parties can combine their resources and expertise to effectively combat intellectual property rights infringements. Through the data collected in the ISF process, customs authorities can identify trends and patterns related to intellectual property rights infringements. This information helps in the continuous improvement of enforcement strategies, enabling customs authorities to better target and prevent such infringements. ISF plays a part in the global efforts to protect intellectual property rights. With cooperation between customs authorities worldwide, the sharing of information through ISF enhances the collective ability to combat counterfeiting and intellectual property rights infringements on a global scale. Thank you all for watching this video on the role of importer security filing and safeguarding intellectual property rights. We hope you found the content informative and valuable. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos related to customs brokerage and international trade. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content. See you next time.